Set the timer dial at 60 minutes on the regular time cycle. Set the temperature switch to cottons or regular heat. Get yourself a mirror and put her under the dryer like this. Turn the dryer on. This is how the heating cycle should work. The igniter glows for 20 to 30 seconds. The heat from the igniter opens the contacts in the flame sensor, turning the igniter off and opening the gas valve. As the gas flows by the still red igniter, it is ignited. The gas valve will continue open until the operating thermostat cycles off. When the operating thermostat cycles off, the gas valve is turned off, stopping the flow of gas. This operation will be repeated over and over until the time on the timer expires and the dryer shuts off. If the dryer heats okay for the first 10 or 20 minutes, then after that you get no heat and the only thing you get is the igniter to come on. Let it run for a couple cycles. If you keep doing this, your problem could be on the gas valve coils, or the gas supply to the dryer. When the igniter glows, this is an indication that everything is okay up to the gas valve. With the drum and front panel removed, now we could work on replacing the gas valve coils. The first thing you're going to do is remove the wire from the coils. Don't worry about mixing them because they are different size plugs. Next, you're going to remove the two holding screws on the holding plate and remove the holding plate. Remove the coils one at a time. Remove the one with two terminals first and install the new one. Then remove the one with three terminals and install the new one. This way you put them on the right place and you don't mix them. Make sure they're nice and straight and install the holding plate. Make sure that the nipples on the coils are aligned with the holes on the holding plate. Install the two screws on the holding plate. Connect the two wire harnesses to the two coils. Make sure the connection is nice and tight. As you could see, we didn't have to disconnect any gas lines. We did the repair right on the floor in front of the dryer. Now all you have to do is put the dryer back together and try it out. This repair works 99% of the times. If you're still having the same problem, then you will need to replace a complete gas valve assembly, and that could be expensive. For the best place to buy replacement parts online, visit Repair Clinic. When you buy parts from Repair Clinic, you have 365 days from the day of purchase to return the part for a refund or for a replacement. You can find links to Repair Clinic in my website.